Hi friends, this video shows how to wash Wakefit Orthopedic Mattress Protector or Cover. So this is a Wakefit Orthopedic Mattress Protector. This has water resistance coating inside. So let me show that. So inside you can see water resistance coating. So we should be careful when we wash it. Okay, so there are some instructions how we can wash it. I will explain all those options. As per company, we can hand wash or machine wash it separately with cold or hot water. We have to use gentle cycle and we have to dry it on low heat. Do not iron, do not bleach, do not dry clean, do not use solvents. So we should be careful because this has water resistance coating inside. So we have to wash it carefully as per the instruction. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.